Did you know a plane was hijacked and used as a weapon against thousands of people? Control of the cockpit was lost just minutes after takeoff. The pilot stopped responding. The plane changed course intentionally and began descending while accelerating. From the ground, those who saw it knew something was wrong. It was flying too low, too straight, no corrections. The impact happened with a full fuel tank. The explosion tore through multiple floors and sent fire deep inside the building. Smoke began rising, trapping hundreds of people. Above the impact zone, inside, oxygen ran out first. Then came the heat. Goodbye calls flooded emergency lines. At the same time, millions of people were watching it live on television. No one understood what was happening until the second plane appeared. It wasn't an accident. It wasn't improvised. Those responsible belonged to a terrorist organization, seeking global impact. They didn't just want to kill. They wanted to be seen. They wanted permanent fear. They chose planes full of fuel. They chose economic symbols. They chose a time when the world was awake. Hours later, the buildings collapsed. The city was covered in dust. Airports shut down. The entire world stopped. Yes, I'm talking about the September 11 attacks. Comment if you remember exactly where you were when everything changed.